So we got 300 plus people in there. I'm extremely nervous, but I'm also jacked out of my mind. I'm about to go in here and train on how to become a millennial millionaire. Investing in your company. You being here right now, you're showing that you're investing in your company. One thing I noticed a lot of credit repair companies you don't use credit for your credit repair company. Stop saying you don't have any money to go to this event, or I have this money to pay for this course, or I have no money to run ads, or yes, you do. You have a credit repair business. You need to fix your credit. You need to get some credit cards. You need to put those credit cards on Facebook ads. My website got built off of credit. My ads got ran off of credit. My payroll was paid off of credit. So stop being afraid. Don't be afraid to invest money in your business. You're not going to get to $1 million investing a few dollars. I spent tens of thousands of dollars investing in my company, but you do it as the money is being made. But don't always think, oh, you're just trying to sell me something, just trying to sell me something. Listen, when I first got started in this industry, I bought everything. I didn't want to leave no rock uncovered. All right, you know what? I already know that, but I'm gonna learn it again, just to be 100% sure. And then you implement your system.
Aaron's was fantastic. I mean, he was inspiring because I kind of see myself, I've always seen myself as an entrepreneur, as kind of that go-getter, and he talked about being relentless and just not letting anything stop you and getting to that goal, and he's a millionaire at 26. I mean, I want to be I'm not 26, but I want to be doing the same stuff.
And then focus, follow one course until successful. Stop falling for all these scatter bombs. Stop thinking there's all these super secrets and all these things that you need to do. No, what you need to do is you need to market your business. You need to close these people. You need to have a seamless process which you're disputing. Credit Repair Cloud sets it all up for you. Follow one course until successful. There's gonna be a lot of distractions. There's gonna be a lot of people trying to get you to look left and look right and hop on this opportunity and hop on that opportunity. But you're here this weekend to know how to grow a credit repair business. So always focus on the main goal. You have a credit repair company you're growing. Don't get caught up in being this coach and this, that, and third. Focus on getting credit repair clients and build everything else as you go.
Aaron's presentation was real good. Definitely inspiring, motivating, and encouraging for those, to show, hey, just because you start one, you could be at the bottom, but putting in that work, that dedication, grinding, staying, relentless, you can basically move up, and now you're on a stage where people thought you would ever be. It doesn't matter where you started, it matters where you're going and what you're willing to do to put that work in. So definitely, man, I would definitely at any time look up Aaron, support him, and say, hey, man, you've been an inspiration, motivation, and keep encouraging.
You can't get on a stage if you quit. Now, a lot of people say, oh, never quit, champions never quit, quitters never win. I just really want you guys to think about that. We quit on relationships, we quit jobs, we quit, our living environments. Don't quit this, because people credit are going to continue to get worse. The economy, when it gets bad, that's still good for us too. That means more people mess up their credit. And this is a way that you can build residual income for your retirement. Did I do a good job, guys?